Hello there. Are you having trouble connecting to your MySQL database using tools like PGAdmin? Is the connection timing out? This video will guide you through troubleshooting common causes and solutions. We'll cover common issues, firewall problems, incorrect settings, and server load. Let's get started and fix that frustrating timeout problem. First, let's check the MySQL server status. Is the server actually running? Use your operating system's service manager or command line tools to confirm. On Windows, you can use the Services app. On Linux, try sudo system status MySQL. If the server isn't running, start it. If it is running, note down the MySQL version you are using. Now, let's look at firewall configurations. Firewalls can block connections to your MySQL server. Ensure your firewall allows traffic on port 3306. This is the default port MySQL uses. Check both your server's firewall and your client's firewall. Windows Firewall, for instance, might need an exception added for MySQL. Incorrect host or port settings can also cause timeout errors. Double-check the host address, port number, username, and password you are using in PGAdmin. Make sure you are connecting to the correct IP address or hostname. A typo can prevent successful connection. Then, let's look at MySQL's wait_timeout setting. This setting defines how long the server waits for activity on a connection before closing it. If it's too short, connections can time out prematurely. You can check this setting by connecting to your MySQL server and running the command show global variables like wait_timeout. Increase the value if necessary. Be cautious when changing global variables. A high timeout can keep idle connections open for a longer time, consuming resources. Also, verify the max_connections setting. If the server has reached its maximum connection limit, new connections will be refused. You can check this with show variables like max_connections. If the limit is reached frequently, consider increasing it. Remember to monitor your server resources after increasing the connection limit. High server load can also lead to timeouts. If your MySQL server is under heavy load, it might take longer to respond to connection requests, leading to timeouts. Monitor your server's CPU, memory, and disk I/O. Optimize your queries and database schema to reduce server load. Slow queries can significantly impact server performance. Finally, network connectivity issues between your client and server could be the culprit. Use tools like ping and traceroute to diagnose network problems. Ensure that there is a clear network path between your client machine and your MySQL server. If you are using a VPN, make sure it is configured correctly and not blocking the connection. Also consider if the connection is trying to be made from one network to a server on another, and that the relevant network rules allow this connection to be made. I hope these steps helped you resolve your MySQL timeout issue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by buying our merchandise. Every little bit helps us create more content like this.